Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Stuff. Today's project it's a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands at 14 inches long or 35.56 centimeters, melted together to form a loop, connected to form a core. Colors is black and yellow. The black, 4 mil thick, 72 inches long, 182.88 centimeters. The yellow, there's 2 of them, the center and the outside. The center yellow is 14 inches or 35.56 centimeters, and using a fid to make it easier. You're going to be using a lighter, a pair of scissors, and a presser. Let's do it. Okay, start this out. We're gonna do the center first. Yellow in the center. Goes up from the bottom, down through, and it's in between the 2 different strands. And it's melted together. And there you go. Okay. And the black. And the other yellows come through from the back, between right here and right here. Okay, here we go. Take the first one like that. I'm starting from the right. It's pretty much standard Cobra. Over the top, black from the left, over, under everything, up to the loop on the right side. Now, take one yellow from the right side, comes up in between 3 and 4. One from the center goes down in between 2 and 3. Left side goes up between 1 and 2. Now, left side goes over the top. From the right, over, under, up to the loop. To the center, between 2 and 3. Right side, down, in between 3 and 4. Left side, down, in between 1 and 2. Got a little bit of tension on it. Now from the right, over everything, black over on top, under, up through the loop on the right side. From the center one down in between 2 and 3. Right side up from the bottom between 3 and 4. From the left side up between 1 and 2. Kind of a bit of tightness to them. Now from the left side, go across, right, over, under, up through the loop on the left side. Kind of tighten. You don't want it real tight. From the middle, yellow, up between 2 and 3. The right side, yellow, down between 3 and 4. Left side, yellow, down in between 1 and 2. Kind of tighten them up some. Okay, then we go from the right. Over, under, up to the loop. You should have the pattern by now. You just do the same thing over and over again. And if you can see the bottom, basically the same thing.